How are refrigerated containers shipped on the railroad? The refrigerated containers are moving meat from packing plants in the Midwest to the shipping port in Oakland, California, and then will go by ship to Japan. The electrical cords of these containers are plugged into this red power pack. I'm going to truck a power pack back to Iowa so it can be put on a train for the next trip. The containers are also trucked. I brought one and just dropped it at the shipping port. The trains are unloaded and power packs taken off on Mondays. I was hoping to get mine Monday night instead of the next morning, but most are still on the train. Today we're going to take a closer look at the power pack. Up here we've got the plugs that the containers plug into when they're on the train. And as you know, this chassis is separate from the box. And when the container is on it, this gen set is a diesel engine that powers the refrigerator. So let's climb up here, see if we can see what makes this bad boy tick. You'll get dirty no matter what. So, okay. The first thing is the humongous diesel engine. This is a fuel tank in the floor that fuels it. Catwalk going across. Behind the engine is the area where the electricity is made. That's the generator part of the unit. And its output into this panel. And the panel distributes the electricity into all those outlets. So, it's slick in here like socks on the kitchen floor because of this diesel that gets tracked all over the place. And very carefully climb back out of here. Meat is trucked in containers from Iowa to California to get on ships where it makes the trip across the ocean to Japan, but it also goes on trains. And this is what they use to power all those containers on the train. The generator that's in here powers a whole bunch of outlets for those containers. But that one under there is for a single truck, and all it is a miniature generator like the one that's inside. around 450 volts that's produced by this thing. There's a fuel tank for the genset. Truck 2064 on its way home. We're going to check in here. Ready to be put on a train for another trip out west.